This is the Olight Oclip Ultra, a versatile clip light with 530 lumens of floodlight, 300 lumens spotlight and a UV light with 365 nanometer wavelength and 800 milliwatts power. You can choose between floodlight, spotlight and UV light mode with the selector ring on the side. A single press on the side switch turns on the lamp. A long press toggles the different light modes. The body is made of an alloy called O-aluminum, which is quite scratch resistant. The clip opens wide, so you can easily attach the lamp on your clothing, backpack or anywhere else. The back of the clip is magnetic, which gives you even more possibilities to attach the lamp. The USB-C charging port is beneath this lid, which is only a dust cover because the USB charging port is inner waterproof. The first and smallest member of the Oclip family has a floodlight with 300 lumens and a red light with 4 lumens. The battery has a capacity of 280 mAh and the weight is 30 grams. Waterproof rating is IPX5. The next model is the Oclip Pro with a floodlight of 500 lumen and a spotlight of 300 lumen. The red light has 40 lumen. The battery capacity has nearly doubled to 580 mAh. So has the weight, it weighs 53 grams. But waterproof rating has improved to IPX6. The newest member now is the Oclip Ultra, which has now a floodlight of 530 lumen and a spotlight of 300 lumen. Instead of the red light, it has the UV light. Battery capacity is the same, weight is 55 grams. And waterproof rating is same, IPX6, like the Oclip Pro. Now let's check out what we can find in our hotel room with the UV light.